We are told that ancient civilizations were primitive. But explain this. The 80-ton capstone of the Tanjore Temple was lifted 200 feet into the air. No iron tools, no modern cranes, just willpower. What if the secret wasn't more muscle, but a different kind of physics? A physics that modern science is only now beginning to understand. This is Hampi. These 56 pillars are tuned to the 7 notes of Indian classical music. But here's the mystery. The British were so obsessed with finding the gears inside that they cut 2 pillars open. They found nothing. No bells, no hollow chambers, just solid stone that sings. But why tune a building unless you intended to play it? In the Vimana Shastra, ancient scholars describe Vastra, the science of sound frequencies. Today, NASA uses acoustic levitation to float objects using nothing but sound waves. By focusing sound from different directions, they create a pressure trap that defies gravity. If we can do this with a bead in a lab, imagine a civilization that spent 5,000 years mastering the resonance of the Earth itself. Is it a coincidence that mantra literally means mind instrument? We look at these temples as places of worship, but they might be the remnants of a sonic technology that could move mountains. The truth is hidden in the sound. Are you listening?
Next time you hear a Vedic chant, listen closely. You aren't just hearing a prayer, you're hearing the source code of the universe.